First, you should know that Russian traditional medicine has many different recipes and mixtures. Today is your lucky day because in this video we are going to show you the best and the most effective recipe. Yes, you got that right. In this video, we are going to show you how to make the famous Russian elixir of youth. Sounds good, right? The best thing about this recipe is that you just need 4 simple plants to make it. Yes, 4 simple plants and you will look 20 years younger. This elixir will also help you speed up the weight loss process, which means that you will lose weight much faster. It will also help you cleanse your body from all harmful toxins. To be honest with you, this Russian elixir of youth will improve your health in general. Note, this recipe is very simple and easy to make. You have to follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. The Russian elixir of youth recipe. You will need the following ingredients: 100 grams of cilantro, 100 grams of chamomile flowers, 100 grams of birch buds, 100 grams of curry plant flowers. Directions. Here's what you need to do. This elixir is simple and easy to make. First, you should mix all the ingredients mentioned above and store them in a glass, sealed, container. How to use it? You should take 1 tablespoon of this mixture and pour 500 milliliters of boiling water over it. Leave it to stay for around 20 minutes and then strain it. Then, you can pour this drink into a thermos to keep it warm. Make sure you drink half of this beverage in the morning, on an empty stomach, and drink the other half 2 hours after your dinner. Don't consume anything else afterward. Make sure you drink this mixture for 1 month. Note, you can repeat the same process but after 3 years. Yes, you should take a 3-year break. This amazing Russian recipe will make you feel and look 20 years younger. It will improve your health in general and you will feel fantastic. It will also help you lose weight much faster, cleanse your body from all harmful toxins, and improve your heart, liver, and kidneys. Yes, and trust me, you will be amazed by the results. Note, if you want to improve the taste of this drink, you can add a little bit of honey to it. Well, this means one thing, that you should definitely try this simple, but effective remedy. It's safe, effective, and easy to make. So, nothing is stopping you. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.